How do you install Adobe Illustrator Beta? Most of the Adobe Creative Cloud applications have beta versions that often have new features that aren't available in the stable releases. Sometimes you may want to explore these features before they are actually released. One example was generative fill was available in Photoshop Beta before it was ever available in the regular mainline Photoshop. Currently in Premiere, you can use AI masking and object masking that happens very fast, but it's only available in the beta version. If you open up the Creative Cloud app, select Apps, this will show you all of your apps, then select Beta. You can see which beta apps are available to install. In this particular case, we want to install Illustrator Beta. Just select Install. If I select these three little dots, I can view the product details. The most important new interesting feature for Illustrator Beta is the Turntable. This lets you rotate your 2D artwork and see it from multiple angles. If you want to use the Turntable in Adobe Illustrator, you'll need to install the Beta app. Hopefully this allows you to install Adobe Illustrator Beta in order to use the new Turntable.